Good morning. So it's a happy day. I woke up early today and practiced my yoga and what else? It was like a nice fresh morning. So it's going to be a nice day at work today and I'm really looking forward because I feel all fresh and I've used my new skin products. So let's see. Yay. Yeah, so it's only a Wednesday, but because like when you enjoy work, it's fine. And yeah, I'm just so happy that I woke up early today. But I did have two chocolates yesterday, two chocolates. Okay, so that's a bad thing, but I'm really, really working on it. Let's see. There's something about waking up early. Like when you wake up early, your day hits different. Like you just feel this amazing sense of freshness and as if you're in control of your life. And there's no better feeling than that. Yeah. Okay. So, chalo bhai, let's go. Okay, let me just close the door. All right. And the benefit of waking up early is that there is literally no traffic. Yeah. So what I usually do is I listen to this podcast every single day in the morning, and the lady basically talks about discipline and consistency and all of that. And the idea is, while it may not help me the first day, oh my God, look at that! Just see, like a mother on a scooter, riding to drop her son. That is so cute. Okay, sorry, actually, I don't know, something happened with my camera. It's a new one, so I'm just still trying to get used to it. So yeah, that was such a cute view to see in the morning. See, like a mother on a two-wheeler in Dubai, just to drop her kid at school. Things that parents do for us. Like it is so beautiful to see. Like our parents, they do so much for us. Like as we are growing up, and whenever we're kids, and in fact, even after we grow up, they continue to bichara think about us only. Ki tum log ye kar lo, like. Sorry. So, I was just talking about how much our parents do for us, and I just feel like, there's nothing you can do for your parents but be grateful for everything that they've done for you. Yeah. Okay, I hope you guys have a great, great day and you get everything that you want, and, like, this day brings you a lot of happiness, peace, and, like, बहुत अच्छा day जाए आप लोगों का. Bye. Hello, hello, hello. I've just finished my work. It's 6 p.m. बहुत काम करा आज लड़की ने, and I've just posted my first mini vlog on Instagram. मुझे इतनी excitement हो रही है because after let's say 10, 12, 15 days, when I post regularly, I'm going to reveal on Instagram that I have been doing YouTube for the last 15, 20 days. I'm so excited. I don't know how is everybody going to react because nobody knows about this channel, and I'm just seeing organically what's the kind of response I get before I bring it on my Instagram page. And yeah, that's about it. I think I'm having a great time. Good things are coming my way. It's your end, but I've been so busy at work and with vlogging and everything. There's just so much happening, and I'm really happy that it's not just my 9 to 5, and there's a lot more that I'm able to think or at least attempt. I was listening to a very good podcast this morning, and उसमें वो कहती है that don't think about the last result, the end result, okay? Just take an action. Like your job is to take that first action. And she said that your biggest roadblock is hesitation. Like घबराहट होती है ना हमें कुछ स्टार्ट करने को कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, पता नहीं पसंद करेंगे. वो जो hesitation होती है वो नहीं होनी चाहिए. उस hesitation को just kill it and बेशरम होके चले जाओ. काम करो. You want to step up. You want to talk. You want to give your opinion. You want to vlog. You want to be on social media. You want to learn dance. You want to learn art. Just do it. You deserve it. Okay? ये हम लोग की life है. ये हमको God gifted life, and we should do whatever we want to do. It is our right as individuals. Before anything else, before anybody's daughter, wife, girlfriend, friend, colleague, we owe this to ourselves. Okay? That is important. And that is why I want to make sure I do everything that I want to do and that I deserve. And baki everything else will automatically fall in place. Huh? Okay, I think I got to leave now so that I can go home, freshen up. Hopefully, I'll be working from home tomorrow. So, पिजामे में काम करेगी लड़की गर्ल, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. ऊपर टी शर्ट पहनेंगे लेकिन नीचे पिजामा, चिल. एंड उसके बाद इतना काम करना है लाइफ में, इतना सक्सेसफुल होना है एंड हैप्पी भी होना है. आई हैव लर्नड दिस दैट सक्सेस इज नॉट ओनली प्रोफेशन. इट्स नॉट ओनली प्रोफेशनल सक्सेस, इट्स ऑल्सो साथ में आप कितना हैप्पी हो. हाउ मच are you at peace? Like, are you always anxious, or is it you can feel peaceful? That is important. That is the key. Okay, अच्छा, too much ज्ञान हो गया. Bye, take care. Okay, so I have reached home. Home नहीं, अभी I've just come and अरे You know the happiness when the door is open? It's been a good day and I'm just tired and I want to sleep. Sometimes your sugar craving, your craving for junk food goes up because like stress is not a comfortable place to be or a comfortable feeling. So your body then starts urging for stuff or for food that makes you feel better. So abhi cutting cutting the long story short, I feel like having meetha again. But I need to tell myself I feel like having healthy food. Neha, we should eat healthy food. I love healthy food. And I feel like eating pizza. But Neha, I will eat whatever has come in my meal plan and be a good girl. This feeling, this feeling of coming back home, I can't tell you. I can't tell you. I wish I had a business that I could run from home and just earn like thousands and thousands and thousands of dirhams working from home. Is that possible here? Sorry, why thousands of dirhams? Millions and millions of dirhams sitting at home. Food is ready. Kahan hai khana? Here. But it's time to bring some warmth to the evening. So I just like to keep my place like this. Just to see kya view hai. It's so nice and warm. That's my food. It's paneer and rice. And I'm ready for this evening. I'm so hungry. But chalo, let's start eating. Sooner the better. Oh God. Okay. थोड़ा सा टेस्ट करके देखते हैं. How's the food today? It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. What do I say? Or maybe I'm just hungry. But it's good, no? Job when you're hungry and you get good food. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so the skincare that I got yesterday, I'm going to try and use it today. Then there is me. Okay. With this, it's been a long day, and I think I want to go to sleep now, okay? Because I have a long day tomorrow and I am extremely tired. Good night.